Okay, I'm going to go through vectors 3, vector product. Part 1 should not be a problem. Find the position vector of R and S. These are the answers, R and S. Okay, and area of the parallelogram also no problem if you can do a quick sketch. I'm just going to give you the answers because this one is just using formula. Alright, using formula and the fact that just use formula. This one you just use that the midpoints bisect each other. Okay, so M is here, the midpoint. Right, so the midpoint of PQRS, midpoint of QS should be equal to midpoint of QR, and you definitely can get what is R, OR and OS, no big deal. Area also no problem. You just take any tool, you just take PS cross PQ, and we are done. Or no problem. Now use your answer. Now you've got to use your answer in part 2 to deduce the perpendicular distance. Now this is the one. Now from R to PQ. Now if your R is here, if your parallelogram is tilted like that, PQRS, the perpendicular distance should be this one, should be H. Am I right? Okay, my drawing not very good, but you know what I mean. H is there, and you've got to use your answer. So area is already 6. And how do you find area? Area must be actually PQ times H. Am I right? So no big deal. You can find the mod of PQ, and therefore H is equals to 2. Okay, because you found area is 6. Question 1 is easy. Let's take a look at question 2. Question 2 is also not difficult. Look, the answers are given here. Alright? But let me very quickly go through. Shortest distance from P to QR, which is PX, also no big deal. You should be able to tell me PX, this is part 1, is actually mod of QP cross QR over mod QR. Okay? This one, go and refer to your lecture notes. You should be able to get your answer. Square root 122 over 3. Now part 2 is the one that, even though they did not use hands, but you should be able to deduce that using part 1. Area of PQR, which is this area we're looking at, should be equals to half times base, which is QR, times PX, which is therefore equals to half times mod QR, which is the times mod PX. Now, easily found, am I right? This one is already found. This one is already found. This is just root 122 over 3. This one can be easily found, QR, which happens to be 3. So we are done. We don't even need to use cross product again, and we will get your answer root 61 over 2 or root 122 over 2. Either way, it doesn't really matter. They did not ask for anything in any form, so either way is fine. Alright? So not that difficult. Alright? Done.